Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Angry Birds on the trumpet. First, let's cover some essential trumpet basics. Make sure your instrument is correctly assembled and tuned to a B-flat. A good embouchure is crucial for producing clear, consistent tones. Practice forming a relaxed, firm embouchure, ensuring your lips vibrate freely. This foundational step will set you up for success as we dive into the iconic Angry Birds theme. Focus on a steady airstream and a comfortable posture. Now let's tackle the main Angry Birds theme. The core melody primarily utilizes 4 key notes: G, C, E, and F. Begin by practicing the initial phrase, focusing on hitting each note precisely. Take it slowly, perhaps at a tempo of 60 beats per minute, to ensure accuracy. Pay close attention to the fingerings for each note and strive for smooth, connected transitions between them. This careful approach will build a solid foundation for the entire piece. Understanding the rhythm and articulation is vital for an authentic sound. The Angry Birds theme largely consists of eighth notes and quarter notes. Use a metronome, setting it to around 60 beats per minute to maintain a steady tempo during your practice. For articulation, use a light tongue stroke, like saying do or to clearly separate each note without being harsh. This precision in rhythm and articulation will bring the melody to life. Consistent practice is key to mastering this tune. Aim for short, focused sessions, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes each day, rather than one long session. Recording yourself playing can be incredibly helpful. Listen back critically to identify any areas needing improvement in tone, rhythm, or articulation. Don't be afraid to share your progress with friends or online communities for encouragement and feedback. Enjoy the process of bringing this fun melody to your trumpet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.